Now that you've mounted the system to the wall, you're ready, provided that you've done all your plumbing, water is still off to the unit, you're ready to install your cartridges. Remember, this is a sanitary cap. There is a small hole on the top. When you pull the fitting, make sure your finger isn't covering that and you just pull it off. Once you removed it, reminder not to touch the stem. We're simply going to take the cartridge and we're going to insert it into the head, imagining that it's on the wall. You're going to rotate it till it drops. As you can see, the labels are actually to the side. Once you rotate the unit counterclockwise, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay this on the table, but remember, this is already on the wall. You simply rotate a quarter turn counterclockwise and the label will absolutely come to the front. You're going to repeat that process with all 3 cartridges. To remove it, you're simply going to rotate the cartridge clockwise and the cartridge will remove. Anytime you remove the cartridge, be sure to put your sanitary cap back on. This is to protect the filter from any future or potential contamination. Now that we've completed it, you've certainly installed all 3 cartridges like you see on our wall, and you're ready to turn the water on. Let's go over that process now.